Sunday, 24th of March, 2024. 3:15 in the afternoon, mid-60s, mid to high 60s. We're on our way back. It says go take this road for 4 miles. Be a dirt road. We're gonna park right here a minute though and get some video pictures. Maybe we'll get a train. This is an active track. We're at Carter's Lake. Carter's Lake is the deepest lake in Georgia, about 450 feet. The near is about 160. That's the old U.S. Highway 411. As warm as it is today, you may very well see a snake. Got the layers of rock here again. All this used to be on the ocean floor 350 million years ago. Long time. Ago. These layers over in Somerville in that area are much thicker. These are a lot thinner. These are maybe what, a ½ inch to an inch. Again, that's old U.S. Highway 411, and Carter's Lake is beyond that. North is to the left, south is to the right. I smell fish.